Hey guys, it's the FBI. Due to the rising cost of food, you got a senior at home, you got a child, yourself, you want to make a quick meal, and you're tired of eating processed food. Let me show you how up to 6 people can eat for less than $6. We're making chicken bites and rice today. So here we are. We found it on sale, $1.79 a pound, pre-Biden prices, and not the $2.79 Biden prices. Can of mixed vegetables, and I got a bag of rice that was left over. I'm using that and some garden vegetable seasoning for my rice. First thing I'm going to do, instead of using, especially for your seniors and your children's, instead of using knives, I'm going to use a pair of kitchen scissors to cut up the chicken. Okay, we got our chicken cut up. Now I'm going to add my Tony's on it. This is going to have your salt, pepper, put a dash of garden vegetables, a handful of rice, and some can of mixed vegetables. Now I'm going to microwave the vegetables 7 minutes. I'll throw the chicken in the air fryer, 380 for 10 minutes. Alright guys, I just pulled out the rice. At 7 minutes, I pulled it out. I put a spoon of butter in. I cooked it for an additional 4 minutes. It'd been quicker if I'd used a rice cooker, but I was trying to just do it basic. So the rice is done. Got my mixed vegetables in. You could have went a step further and put Rotella in it, and you could have added extra, but I was just doing a little basic thing tonight. My chicken's done. Now I'm just gonna, and I could have plated it and made it look nicer, but I'm just picking this up and going to watch my movies. So I got my rice and my chicken put together. You want to use some bowls. Take your leftover vegetables. You don't want to leave this in the refrigerator without a thing. That, and then you also want to package your chicken because you don't want this air getting your chicken messed up. And you use a bowl. I use freezer bags. Seal up your rice. Make sure that you hear the snaps. And there you go. 15 minutes. It's $1. And it's a whole lot better than anything you'll get frozen. The same thing at the restaurant would be 12 bucks. It'd be stretched out on a plate and it'd look nice, but $1 would be $12, maybe $13. And my tea from earlier tonight, which I don't know, it's probably 40 cents. It'd be $3, $4 at some restaurants. So I made a $17 meal for $1.40. 15 minutes. And I didn't have to cook. I didn't have to sit in here and watch it. I threw it in the air fryer. I went on there, played on YouTube, watched TV. Came in here one time, threw a thing of butter in. I went back, worked on some more YouTube stuff. Came in here, cut the camera on, showed y'all this, and now it's time to eat.